Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? I'm dreaming of an intersectional holiday season. It's Merry Christmas, not Happy Holidays. Okay, boomer. Well, hello again, Internet. Corinne here, and you're watching Corinne vs. Pin Holiday Edition. Today, I'll be attempting to turn my hair into a non-denominational holiday tree, also known as a Christmas tree, also known as a tradition that started well before Christianity co-opted it for its holiday. So let's get started, shall we? Yeah, I'm excited about this one. I've been seeing it a lot in my feed for the past week, and apparently it's a trend that was pretty popular a few years ago, but is making a comeback. And I have a lot of hair here, so I'm thinking I can pull off a pretty solid holiday tree on my head. I'm here at the mall a couple days before Christmas, which is probably going to be a nightmare, but I need some stuff from in there. I had to park all the way in the very, very back of the parking lot because there is no parking. Oh my God, Santa's right over there. Hi, Santa. Santa just waved at me. He's right there. Oh my God, Santa just waved at me again. Santa just waved at me, y'all. Santa. All right, this is what we're going for our hair situation. Ice yourself. See, I knew this store would have everything I needed. Definitely getting some of these. Ooh, and look at these. Some little holiday gifts to go under the tree. And these are, oops. These are good. Maybe some more of these. And that should do it. Mission accomplished. And we saw Santa. I would say it was a win-win. Okay, here we go. First off, I have a lot of long, thick-ass hair, so this is gonna take a long, thick-ass time. And I really can't think of a better time to start a new audiobook, especially one of my favorite stories of all time, Slaughterhouse-Five by Kurt Vonnegut. Gonna pass time with the time-bending, mind-bending classic. Go to audible.com/ThreadBanger or text ThreadBanger to 500-500 for a free audiobook of your choosing, a free month of Audible, plus 2 free Audible originals. And your days of impatiently waiting for your hair to curl will be over. Curlalooya! Rob actually has no idea about me turning my hair into an Xmas tree. And we're supposed to go to dinner tonight, so this should be fun and festive. First up, curl the hair. Now I gotta tease the shit out of it. I've seen people achieve this look with a plastic bottle as the base, but I'm gonna try to achieve it without the plastic bottle, because I got a lot of hair. Here we go. Woo! Okay. Don't think I'm doing this right. I'm pretty sure I'm not doing it right, maybe. And I'm just gonna use my already existing top knot as the base, and we're just gonna go from there. Holy cripes. I don't know how I'm gonna get my hair back to normal now. Building up my vase here, because it's all about the base. Oh, beehive. Are you almost ready for dinner? Are you almost ready for dinner?
Sure. What are we having?
Oh, we're going out tonight. Just realized the cat's still in here. Probably should make her leave because all this hairspray turning into a toxic waste dump in here. I'll be right back. Let's go. Let's go see what Rob thinks. This is what you call party in the front and party in the back hair. Okay, I'm ready to go.
Go through the drive-through, get something, come right back here.
Where's your holiday spirit?
There is none. Get the fuck out of here.
I'm having a moment with my kin. First thing on the agenda is some holiday shipping.
Holy shit.
Really, that's the hat you're gonna wear?
Bet your ass it is, huh?
Look how cute my holiday wrappings are. It's owl post. All right, now we're safe to drive. Let's go ship some shit.
You don't need headlights now.
Yeah, exactly.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
You probably want me to get the door
Can
for
you
you
get the
too.
door?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Great.
See, spreading holiday cheer.
Or fear. I don't know.
Whatever. Did you see that? Someone wanted to take a video of my hair. We've only done one stop so far, and already people are just beside themselves with how cool this is. Now time for some holiday shopping. We're gonna do the 3 S's of the holidays. Holiday shipping, holiday shopping, and holiday sipping. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Very cool. Thank you. Spreading the holiday cheer, bitch. Thank you.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Thank you. You win. Yay! I win.
She won.
I'm basically the queen of the holidays. Holiday queen. The Elf movie taught us that singing loud for all to hear is what spreads Christmas cheer, but I think doing this to your hair is what does it.
I don't know about that.
Yeah. Well, that was a good time. Did you hear what the people said? They said I won. I don't know exactly what I won, but I won, damn it. People seemed genuinely excited about my hairdo. It was actually pretty fun to walk around like this. This style was pretty popular in the 50s. I think we need to bring it back to the new roaring 20s. Actually, speaking of which, I'm gonna be cutting all my hair off tomorrow. So this hairdo is the final hurrah for this hair. And I'm actually gonna be doing it myself. Yeah, that's always a good idea. Hello.
Oh, that's awesome.
Thanks. Bobs were really popular in the 20s, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut my own hair, hopefully into a bob-like formation. And you can actually go watch that video right now over on my personal channel. A big thanks to Audible for sponsoring this video. Gift yourself the gift of Audible by going to audible.com/ThreadBanger or by texting ThreadBanger to 500-500. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone out there has a very happy holidays, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. We're just gonna do this real quick. Where's your ear? There it is. Oh, look at what we got.
Oh yeah, you look.